Today, I want to dig into a shift I believe every small business owner needs to understand. SEO and marketing are no longer separate things in 2025. If you try to treat them as two silos, you're falling behind, especially with the rise of AEO and GEO. Back when SEO was king, you optimized pages for keywords, built links, caught traffic, and then marketed to people who landed. But now, search itself is morphing. People aren't always clicking anymore. Many queries get answered right in the search field or through AI assistance. That's where Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO, comes into play. AEO is about building your content so it is the answer. Let me say that again. AEO is about building your content so it is the answer. Not part of a list of websites from companies, but the answer. It means structuring your pages, questions, and answers and metadata to align with how AI systems retrieve and synthesize responses. You're no longer just playing for clicks. Then you have GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. This is a more advanced layer, optimizing for AI engines to pick you when someone says, hey, ChatGPT, who does good plumbing near me? Or what's the best HVAC company in Tampa? GEO means your content is built to be understood and used by AI systems, not just indexed by traditional search engines. Okay? That doesn't mean SEO is dead, far from it. Keyword research, site structure, page speed, local SEO, these foundational elements must still be solid, there's no question. What changes is that they now feed your content's ability to show up in AI answers and generative search. Let me give you some practical shifts you need to make. One, write in conversational QA formats. Use headings and content that mirror how people ask questions out loud. Layer structured data and schema. Most people aren't going to have any clue what that is, but your web dev team does. Help search engines and AI systems understand exactly what your content is. Like a photo, a human knows what a photo is, but a robot, a bot basically, doesn't have a clue. So you have to tell the bot what's in the photo. So this is a how-to, this is a pricing table, this is a review, and that sort of thing. Focus on authority and citations, by the way. AI tends to prefer answers backed by trusted sources, getting cited by other sites, or increasing your EAT, experience, expertise, authority, and trust from Google. Optimize for local and AI. If you're a local business, it's no longer enough to just rank for plumber near me. Okay? You have to be part of the generative answer systems that consider local context, maps, and service area. And measure differently. Don't just watch rankings. Watch whether your content is being quoted or answered in AI responses, and how much your visibility improves in AI overdrives, plus your downstream leads. And here's a metaphor. In the old world, SEO was like building a billboard along a highway and hoping people see it. In the new world, marketing and SEO equals designing your brand so when someone asks the highway's AI assistant, who's a good contractor, they name you, not just send you to a billboard. Hopefully that makes sense. If you don't start thinking that way now, merging marketing and SEO, you're going to get left behind. My name's Max from Max Out Creative. Thanks so much for watching. If you got anything out of this at all, or if it made you think about something in a different way, please consider a like and or a subscription. Appreciate that a lot. And if you'd like some strategies, want to have a talk, go to maxoutcreative.com, fill out that form. Thank you very much.